Hello, now we're going to look at frame 4. So to do frame 4, what we have to do is we have to look at what this is similar to. This is very similar to the change between 1 and 2. So you can take frame 3, copy it, and then go to frame 4 and paste it right in. So now the things that change between frame 3 and frame 4 are the arm and the leg. So now we will look at both of those. So if we look at the, I think we can do the leg first, and we can get rid of that, and we just have a black spot that's going to be 6-1, not 7-1, 6-1. Here we go. And now we need the next line to be a blue spot, which is at 7-1. So mc.setBlock 7-1-10. And then 35-11. So that's our blue spot at 7-1. Now we need to figure out the arm situation. So let's go down, find out where our arm is at, and then try to modify the code so our arm will be where we want it to be. So now we need to do mc.setBlock. And we need 5-3 to be green, 5-3-10, and that's 35, and then our lime green, which is 5. And now our next one is mc.setBlocks, or setBlock, and then that would be 6-3-10, and we're going to turn that yellow, so that'd be 35, 4. Alright, so now we got that going. Let's frame it up, see what it looks like. Run it from the start. There, we get our body. We have our fourth frame. Alright, it's looking how I am expecting it to look, so now let's just move on to frame 5. Frame 5 should be pretty easy. So we look at frame 5 here. Now this frame is very similar to frame 3. It just has all the x's moved up one value. Great, that'll make it easy. We'll just have to go in, pick frame 3, highlight it all, copy it, and then we move it down to frame 5. Now we just have to go through the process, find each x value, not in the first one because that's what blinks out the screen, but each x value, and move everything one up. And this should be a quick process. Just a couple more to go. Alright. Move down one more. And finally, our last one. Alright, now we got it. So now we can finish and run the program.